Hi guys, so I was about to clean my brushes, so I wanted to make a video to show you guys the SEINT Brush Cleanser. So this is seriously like a game changer, guys. It cleans your brushes and it dries instantly, like right away. So it's important to have clean brushes because they apply your makeup better, and then dirty brushes have bacteria on them, and if you put that on your face, you could break out. So this brush cleanser, it dissolves bacteria, so it sanitizes your brushes, and it conditions the bristles of your brushes so that they'll last longer. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. You just take this, you spray it on your bristles, or you could spray it on a paper towel. And then you either use a paper towel or a microfiber cloth or like anything, a washcloth, a bib. And then you just rub it back and forth, rub the bristles back and forth on the paper towel until it comes clean. I'm just gonna do it one more time on this side. And then again, just gonna rub it on the paper towel. Okay, see? And guys, it's literally dry. It's crazy. So I didn't used to clean my brushes that often because I didn't have time to wait for them to dry. So with this, you don't have to wait for them to dry. They dry instantly. So you can apply your makeup right after you clean them, or vice versa. But if you can't buy the SEINT Brush Cleanser right now, you can always clean your brushes with a drop of olive oil on your palm and a drop of like dish soap, and then put some water and just swirl the brushes in your hand and then wash them off. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this is on the website. So you can just shop the link and get this. And yeah, you should, because it's really good.